Are you looking for the top 5 best small chainsaws? Real user reviews. I bought and tested these 5 small chainsaws so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong tools. As someone who loves DIY projects and gardening, I know how frustrating it can be to find a reliable chainsaw that won't break the bank. Let's dive right into my honest reviews.
Product number 1, Substable Mini Chainsaw. The Substable Mini Chainsaw is a game changer when it comes to tackling garden tasks. Imagine a bright Saturday morning, the sun shining down, and you have a list of chores waiting for you. With this cordless mini chainsaw in hand, I felt empowered to take on pruning, cutting firewood, and even some light landscaping. The dual guide bars, 6-inch and 8-inch, allowed me to switch sizes based on the job at hand. When I first picked it up, I was struck by how lightweight it felt, only 3.3 pounds. I've used larger gas chainsaws in the past, and the difference was night and day. This tool was so easy to maneuver, making it a breeze to cut through branches without feeling fatigued. The powerful 1,000-watt brushless motor provided a smooth cutting experience, zipping through wood with a chain speed of 32 feet per second. I must admit, it was genuinely satisfying to see how effortlessly it sliced through thick branches. Safety was another concern of mine, and the Substable didn't disappoint. From the safety lock to the non-slip auxiliary handle, I felt secure while using it, even as a beginner. The 2 included batteries provided up to 60 minutes of runtime, which was more than enough for my weekend projects. Plus, the fast charging feature meant I could quickly get back to work if I needed to recharge. However, I did notice that it required regular oiling, but the auto oiler feature made that less of a hassle. On the downside, the tool can be a bit noisy, but nothing compared to gas-powered models. Overall, I would recommend the Substable Mini Chainsaw.
Product number 2, Suncher's Mini Chainsaw. Next up is the Suncher's Mini Chainsaw. I was excited to put this one to the test, especially with its promise of 80 minutes of runtime. Upon unboxing, I appreciated how compact and lightweight it felt at just 5.9 pounds. This was a great option for one-handed use, which is something I found super helpful when trying to get into tight spaces in my garden. The 880-watt motor was surprisingly powerful, delivering smooth cuts at a speed of 6,500 RPM. I found it easy to handle as I transitioned between tasks like trimming branches and cutting small logs. The auto-oiling feature was another highlight for me. It kept the chain lubricated without me having to stop to do it myself. I could focus on my work without the constant worry of chain maintenance. I also loved that the Suncher's chainsaw comes fully assembled. Just add the oil and you're ready to go. However, I did find that the safety feature, which requires you to press a button before starting, was a bit cumbersome at times. It took a little getting used to and slowed me down initially. Still, I understand that it's a necessary safety measure. Overall, the Suncher's Mini Chainsaw is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient tool for occasion.
Product number 3, Hopto Mini Chainsaw. The Hopto Mini Chainsaw caught my eye with its unique design and lightweight build. Weighing in at only 2.7 pounds, I knew this one would be easy to handle for longer periods. The moment I turned it on, I was impressed by the cutting speed of 39.37 FTS. It felt powerful enough to handle branches up to 6 inches thick without any struggle. This chainsaw is perfect for those who may find larger equipment intimidating. It's designed to be controlled with one hand, which made my pruning tasks feel less strenuous. I loved how it felt stable and balanced while I worked. However, the battery life was decent, but not as long as I had hoped. It's essential to keep an eye on the power level while working. The built-in protection features gave me peace of mind as I could focus on my tasks without worrying about accidental starts. The included accessories were a great bonus, and I appreciated the thought put into making it gift-ready. While using it, I noticed that it could struggle with denser wood, which might limit its use for more substantial projects. Nevertheless, for light to moderate yard work, the Hopto Mini Chainsaw is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a user-friendly tool.
Product number 4, Peel Mini Chainsaw. Now let's talk about the Peel Mini Chainsaw. As someone who already owns some DeWalt products, I was excited about the compatibility with the DeWalt 20-volt max battery. This saved me the hassle and expense of purchasing additional batteries. Weighing only 2.7 pounds, this one is also incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle. The 1200 watt brushless motor provided impressive power, and I was delighted with the 36 feet per second cutting speed. It made short work of branches and logs, which was exactly what I needed. The tool-free installation and tensioning features made it super easy to swap chains when needed, which I found a huge time saver. However, one downside is that the package does not include the battery or lubrication oil, which I had to purchase separately. I found the automatic lubrication system worked great, ensuring smooth cutting without much effort on my end. It's worth mentioning that this chainsaw is a bit louder than the others I tested, so using ear protection might be a good idea. Overall, the DJunpil Mini Chainsaw is an excellent investment for anyone who already owns DeWalt batteries and is looking for
Product number 5, Saker Mini Chainsaw. Lastly, I tested the Saker Mini Chainsaw, and I have to say it exceeded my expectations. At only 2.42 pounds, it was incredibly lightweight and perfect for one-handed operation. The 4-inch chain length made it ideal for small jobs, such as trimming branches or even cutting through lighter materials. The high-quality guide chain provided smooth cuts, and I was impressed with its performance, especially given its lower horsepower of 550 watts. The rechargeable battery was long-lasting, which allowed me to complete my small yard tasks without interruptions. What I particularly loved was how easy it was to assemble. It took me less than a minute to get it ready for use. The safety features, including a protective cover and handguard, were reassuring, especially since I was using it for the first time. However, I did find that it's not suitable for heavy-duty cutting tasks, so if you're looking for something for larger projects, this might not be the right choice. Overall, the Saker Mini Chainsaw is an excellent option for light work and would make a great gift for anyone new to gardening or DIY.
In conclusion, each of these mini chainsaws has its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're a novice gardener or looking for a reliable tool for light tasks, there is an option for you. I hope my reviews help you make an informed choice. Happy cutting!